Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make over $200 a month on Pinterest and make money online. It's easy and simple to make money from home. Following this very simple method, you can make up to $200 a day. So before we start this video, please don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a like and make a comment below. I'll come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. As I mentioned, I'm going to show you how to make money on Pinterest, how to make over $200 a day. So you know the first step, as I mentioned in the last video. First, you are going to follow users on Pinterest, 100 users a day. Second, you need to unfollow users that don't follow you. You need to unfollow users that don't follow you. Very important to keep the following radio better. You need to do that. It's very important, extremely important. You want to have a lot of people following you. That's what you want to have. So the third step to make money on Pinterest is to make sure that you mentor this, not necessarily following as many that you can continue obviously growing their business for you. So if you are looking to make money on Pinterest, you can do this. You can do it for clients or for yourself. After that is just go into the canva.com, www.canva.com. That's the next step. This doesn't cost you anything to have. This is absolutely free. It's a fantastic site that you can use. You can create anything, use this site. So once you go on there, it's gonna send you to a page where you can tailor all of these. It has so many different examples. You can actually charge really good money just for doing this. You can make over $200 a day. As you can see here, let's say you are doing something for a restaurant. You come here and create your own design. It's free, 100% free, and that's the best thing about this site. You can basically delete whatever you want on here. You can write whatever you want, and you can edit whatever you want on here. Very simple and easy to use. You will be managing obviously their account. This is what you will be doing, and you need to make sure about something. You need to make sure about using credible formulas in order for you to make money on Pinterest. That's very important because this is how to get traffic with Pinterest. Obviously it's got to be eye-catching. These things need to be obviously eye-catching. These are obviously designed by really good designers. You just need to come here and find what you need, find the right graphics that you need, right? And that's my next step to make money on Pinterest and make over $200 a day. Next, you need to get the account into group boards. Your account that you are working on, this is highly effective. You as me. Now what is group boards are? It's very similar to this, but the difference is you can create a group board, and if a group board owner, and if there is other people that are on the board, now on this board you have a pen that you want to show to these people. So let's say as a white loss board out, let's say 15,000 or 20,000 or 10,000 followers, whatever there that has so many followers. Here you want to contact the owner of that boarding. That's what you need to do. You say your name, so and so, and I would like to share with your followers or with your community, and there is no reason for him to say yes or no. So what you do from then, after that, once you get accepted, 95% of the time you start pinning your stuff into the group next. For example, to say it's 15,000 people, you can imagine the traffic that's going to come back from that one board. You will be getting a lot of traffic of Pinterest and more sales and more money, especially if their product is great. It's that you are promoting to your Pinterest account. You will make a lot of money here, man. And like I said, especially if the product is great, a highly effective way of getting traffic without creating it. Potentially have a blog or site or something. It's really cool way of doing it that way. Okay, now those are all my 4 steps. In the next video I will show you the 5th step to make money on Pinterest. It's easy and simple to make money on it. That's at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.